Hello everyone, greeting from the Costa del Sol. This is Santiago Realtor. I am very excited today to show you my favorite location. It's an incredible place, Higueron Resort. Some say it's the Dubai of the Costa del Sol. We're going to explain why, as well as a bit of history and visiting a couple of properties for sale. So please stay tuned and we are going to see it straight away. To understand the history of this place, you need to get back to 1973 when Guillermo Rodriguez's father, the father of Javier and Guillermo Jr., bought all this land with the dream to building a five-star neighborhood with beautiful apartments, with nice sea views and luxurious style, modern style in general. I think it's a big comparison to what happened in Dubai as well. The royal family of Dubai, the father, the king, has a dream to make Dubai a beautiful modern city. But he passed away, unfortunately, and then was the Prince Mohammed who make it real. It happens exactly the same with the Higueron brothers. They make this, like you see nowadays, a beautiful modern style neighborhood built from scratch. If you have a look at how it used to be, this place back in only 2017, there was not much around. Higueron brothers, they made an agreement with Urbania. It's one of the biggest Spanish developers, and they made one of the most ambitious projects of the decade. Was 250 millions of investment and more than 800 apartments. They needed to build all the roads, all the bike lanes, but the very high standard style. So all this beautiful location was born, right? This is what makes Higueron West nowadays. Let's have a look at down there. So this piece of the land in Higueron West was urbanized by the company Urbania. There was nothing, literally nothing in this location. And they built all the roads, the bike lane, the gardens, everything that looks very beautiful nowadays. This company attracted a lot of real estate agents on the coast and plenty of investors from abroad. And nowadays, the Higueron West side and all these apartments that used to be 800 apartments for sale, nowadays fully finished and fully sold, they have 90% of the owners are from abroad. So it's a very international community. It's quite similar like the international community that they have in Dubai. One of the things that I love the most about this neighborhood is that these people actually live here. They have developed this location so much and they did such a great job doing the landscaping, the gardens, selecting the style of the buildings, right? When they are not the developers of all the projects, but actually they did other collaborations with other developers, same like they did with Urbania. They did a project with Aedas Homes called Middle Views. They also did a collaboration with Kronos Homes, and one of the most popular is the one they did with Top Gestión at the 6 phases of Lomas del Higuerón. I like as well that you have a lot of facilities in these locations. You have the train, you have all the sports club, paddle courses, you have the beach volleyball, an MVA training center for playing basketball and training basketball. We have a couple of retired basketball players from the NBA living in Med 2 as well. The access to the beach itself is only a couple of blocks away, and you have a fantastic beach club. Nowadays, both sons, both architects, Javier and Guillermo, have two separated developments company. RH Privé from Guillermo and Higueron Resort from Javier. Higueron Resort was the developer who built this building where we are standing right now. It's called North Residence. They're also working on South Residence, Valley Collection, and the most ambitious one, the most recent, is Waterfall Collection that will be ready in 2027. But that one is already on the other side of the highway, and I think it's very interesting. Let's have a look at the plot of Waterfall. Welcome to the Waterfall plot, this location where we are standing right now. And I brought you here also to have a look to the beautiful west side of the valley. That's the future of this developer. They are planning to build a lot of new apartments, and a lot of projects are coming in the future once they finish the urbanizing that location, building all the roads and preparing everything the same like they did with Higueron West back in the days. One of the strongest points of this location is that you have a 5-star Hilton Hotel on site. For the buyers who get a property on the Higueron resort, you will get all the facilities and all the property management company who do the rentals for you. So I think it's a big reason to buy, especially the investors, all the buyers who are looking to have a holiday home and they only come in the winter time or certain months per year. The rest of the time they can rent it out and the rental company from Higueron will take care of it, right? It's a great opportunity, especially for investors, and this is one of the main reasons to buy here. Let's have a visit to one of these properties we find in the Higueron area. In my opinion, what I really love about this location is like the kind of real estate that you get here, completely different of the rest of the coast. Modern style, good taste, high-end architecture, and quality in every single detail. I love the views as well. In Higueron, it's very steep, so there are a lot of properties with beautiful views. And the very best of this location as well is that there are a lot of spaces. There are apartments with big sizes. I love this roof terrace. Square meters is about 100. We have like a plunge pool, a solarium, a sofa chill out area, the barbecue outdoor kitchen with the big table. These kind of things you find it in Higueron is very rare on the coast, to be honest. Such a big size of apartment with modern style is just absolutely fantastic.
In Higueron we have villas as well. Most of them are a piece of an art, to be honest. If you visited it inside, what you can find is like a combination of nature and human design. It's called biomimetic architecture. As well, big spaces, roof up to 7 meters and normally a minimum of 3.5 meters high. In qualities, we have it in every single thing. The doors and the windows, you have very spacious master bedrooms with access with the terrace, so you can have the indoor-outdoor living. As well, you come with the basement, some of them, where you can have a cinema and up to 3 cars. The outdoor showers are fantastic as well. You have beautiful bathrooms and good qualities in the sinks, and of course, dressing rooms included.
The modern, beautiful style we have in Higueron is very rare on the Costa del Sol, to be honest. This high-end architecture and being in Europe is kind of unique, and I truly believe that will be a successful location. Higueron became famous for being a place with more cranes on the sky of the whole Costa del Sol. There are several projects under construction. Same like happened in Dubai back in 2002, when people from all over the world came to build this fantastic modern style apartment. This location is for sure one of the top locations of the whole Costa del Sol. If you're interested in the Higueron area, feel free to contact me, to write me on the comments or text me directly to my WhatsApp number that you can find in the description. I'm a local real estate agent and I'm an expert of the Higueron area, and let's book an online meeting so I can answer all your questions. Bye then.